if the first day of the year is a Monday, then what's the 260th day? Stay tuned. Hello scholar, welcome to today's video. Thank you for joining me. So if the first day of the year is a Monday, then what's the 260th day? 60th day, all right? So now, today's tip, you will just use the idea of proportions to solve this question, okay? So now, from Monday to Sunday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all right? That's a week, right? So in 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So per week, you will get to a Sunday. So this is 7 days. And 7 days make what? A week. All right? Then the cycle starts again from Monday, then to Sunday again. Right? So we recognize that there is a cycle going on. Monday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday. Now the question is, how many complete cycles would we get from 260 days? So what do? Divide 260 by 7 to find out how many complete cycles we have. All right, so we have 7 goes in 26 3 times. Then we have 26 minus 7 times 3 is 21. 26 minus 21 is 5. 7 goes in 57 times. So we would have 37 cycles of Monday to Sunday. All right. So this will happen 37 times. All right. So this is the 37th week. All right. Then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. At the end of the 37th week, it will be a what? A Sunday. So, but there is a remainder 1. All right. So 1 is the next day after Sunday. What's the next day after Sunday? Monday. This is the 260th day. How do I know? 37 times 7. 37 times 7 is what? This is 49. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4, 25. Right? So that is at the 37th week, we've had 259 days. All right? 259 days. 260 minus 259 is what? 1. That remainder. So that's the next day, which is a Monday. All right. So it sounds kind of complicated, but if you look at it, if you're able to identify the cycle from Monday to Sunday, you will use that to solve the problem. You will get it easily. All right. If you found value from this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also watch my previous videos on SAT and ACT. All right. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.